Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Tourism sector to contribute 250 billion US dollars to GDP by 2030, Center. Greek July current account surplus widens, tourism revenue jumps. Japan tourism restart an opportunity for global industry. Ajit Bajaj is new ATOAI president after getting elected unopposed. Jazeera Airways launches 2 new routes to Thiruvananthapuram and Bengaluru in India. RPF recovers 9.9 crore fine from 1.92 liters ticketless travelers. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM. Don't forget to like,